Good morning. It's Lance inside CEI Bookstore coming to you this morning from my desk. I'm going to take a moment and share with you a little tutorial information regarding our website, truthbooks.com. I know many of you with the COVID-19 situation, you are having to stay at home and doing more shopping online, and we're fulfilling more and more orders via our website every day. So I want to take a moment and show you some features of our website that may make it easier for you to shop with us online, make you more comfortable with it, and show you some insights and again, just some features that may help you better navigate what we're offering to you at truthbooks.com. So I'm going to share my screen with you and just walk you through some of this real quickly. Give me just a moment here. Okay, so as you take a look at our screen, you're viewing the home page of truthbooks.com, and I'll bring your attention to the very top of the page, this very top line banner. You may not always see this here, but if there's anything going on that would disrupt our business hours or operations or any special announcement that we need to make, this would be the place that we'll be sure that that information is readily available to you as our customer. So right now, we've been keeping our update on the COVID-19 situation in our operations linked right here. This goes straight into our blog post that gives you the full message from my desk about the COVID-19 situation and how it's affected our operations as far as store hours and what we're able to do to continue to serve you. So always check that. If there's any inclement weather in the area or anything like that major going on, this would be where we would try to update you as our customers immediately to let you know what our response to that is. Also would point out that at the website, if there at any time you want to return to the home page, click on the logos at the top left, and that'll take you to the home page every time throughout the website. So that's just a quick, easy way for you to get back to the home page. If you notice at the very top right of the page, you have a quick link to the blog, and this is something that we're using more and more, and we've been using it here recently, especially to update you relative to the COVID-19 situation. So you'll see several of those updates throughout the last several weeks as we've had to make changes here with our operations. And then also we share with you Monday morning moments and different articles from Truth Magazine that are inspirational and informative as well. And we just invite you to keep up with us there via the blog. Also at the top right, you'll see the About Us section. So if you want to know who it is that you're talking to on the phone each and every day, you can go here and see our staff and get familiar with names and faces. We always like to put a name with a face, and we know that you'd like to do the same, so you can go there. Find more about our operating divisions and brands and information about us right there in the About Us section. Also at the top right, you'll see Contact Us, which gives you an opportunity to contact us through the website. If it's after hours, if we're not available by phone, then you can reach out to us via the Contact Us. If you have an account with us, this is where you can quickly go to that to log in via your email address, or you can create an account right here if you're a new customer with us. And as you shop online, you'll see items added to your shopping cart here in the top right in this orange icon. Take us back to the home page and just share with you some insights about the top level categories at the website. You can always go here to the new tab to see what the newest products are that we've added available for purchasing at the website. Its default sort is by newest items, but you can change that if you want to see the best-selling newest items, or if you want to see the top-rated newest items. New items probably won't have as many reviews as some of the items that have been out longer, but there's just different options for you to sort that if you want to. And then the second main category is our Bibles category. Always a top seller for us. We have one of the greatest selections of Bibles of anybody out there. I think between 400 and 500 different ISBNs, different title lines that we carry. And so we invite you to shop that. You can shop these by translation. You can shop by type. And as you work through that, you can keep drilling down and search inside each of those categories. We also have the Bible covers here and Bible accessories here. And then we have class and study materials. The class and study materials section is our largest category at the website. There are so many workbooks, class books, reading books that are designed for adults, teenagers, children, congregational study, small group study, etc. We give you a hot link here to featured workbooks that we produce at Truth Publications: Discovering God's Way, Bible Textbook Series, Truth in Life, Word in the Heart, to name a few of those. You can go down here to the bottom right to Truth Publications and see our commentaries, our digital products, lecture books, the magazine subscription options, tracks, and more workbooks. So I'd encourage you to shop all of those, or you can shop by the adult series of workbooks, the teenager series of workbooks, children's books and materials. We also break out into Christian living books, just to give you some more category options like biographies and devotionals especially. And then you might note that under children, you have the homeschool products. A quick link for you to go and look at items that we recommend for your homeschool use as well. Then reference materials like concordances, commentaries, history books, reference bookmarks, etc. can be found in the reference category. So this is a very large category, and invite you to take some time and shop through all of the subcategories here when you get a chance. The church supplies category is also a popular section. As a congregation, you have certain things that you always are in need of, like communion supplies, things to do with your evangelism and correspondence courses, tracts, your outreach, teacher resources. When you're thinking about your hymnals, learning about the hymnals, the hymn projection products, and so forth, you can find those items there. We have additional items like baptismal certificates, head coverings, baptism garments, and so forth that you can also find in this category. Under hymnals and CDs, you'll find more specific things to do with our song worship, with the Symphonia products being featured, the CDs by Symphonia, as well as the Symphonia hymnal and slide maker, the projection product from Symphonia Productions. Then you can shop all the hymnals and hymn projection products here. Children's music, song leader resources, which is really nice because you take a look not only at the hymnals, but at the different books and devotionals that are related to hymnals and hymn writing and song history as well. And then our audio CDs collection. This is always a popular purchase and gift purchase. And you can go and shop a great selection of a cappella music in the audio CD section there. Jumping to gifts and more, we have a small line of apparel that's kind of ever growing. We have ties for men. We have t-shirts and sweatshirts for women, among other things in the apparel section. I invite you to take a look at that. The boxed cards are always very, very popular, and you can select those and shop those here online. We have gifts for children, gifts under $10 for those that are looking for just a small gift item, gifts for her or gifts for him when you're thinking about Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduation, any of those special holidays, birthday, anniversary, etc. We'd invite you to take a look at the gift ideas there. And then just a miscellaneous section that will show you a few other items that maybe don't quite fit in these other categories. And then we have the specials tab, and the specials tab, kind of like the new products tab, is certainly a category worth looking at and keeping up with from time to time as we update this. Right now we have the care packages featured under the specials tab. We're offering these special packages for you to send as a gift, especially to family or the elderly that are at home right now, or maybe a church leader that you really care about that's having to do special things during this time, or even children as you try to send a gift to keep them busy and doing something that's spiritually productive as well. So we've got these special priced care packs where you really get a value for a small amount of money to be able to send. And so those are featured here. We also have some free items that we feature here in the specials category, like this free trial of Slide Maker, a free book download here that kind of tells about who we are as CEI Bookstore and Truth Publications. We have the bundles of books like Miss Lee's Stories, the gift set, both copies of the hardback at a special price or the paperback. And then the Classic Truth commentaries that we've been running on an inventory reduction sale. We have the specials there, as well as the digital special of the 25 volumes for $136.88. And then the commentary special bundle of the hard copies for $162. So just encourage you to stay up to date here. You'll see there are subcategories where we run holiday gift specials or while supplies last or bundled products that'll help you drill down to just what you're looking for. I'm going to go back to the home page. Notice right in the center of the top of the home page, you've got the search field that you can always use. We try to really hone in on the best keywords that we can use here. So I'd encourage you to use that as a way to search for material. And you know, just as simple as searching something like baptism, if you're looking for books on baptism, will bring you to a very full results page for baptism, 123 results that are somehow associated with that, everything from box cards to actual books and certificates. So I just encourage you to use the search tool as much as you can to see everything in those categories. The big hero graphic at the top of our page is something we update usually on a monthly basis, and we try to feature something that's a special offer for you as our customers. This month, we're featuring 20% off Christian living products. So the Shop Now button takes you straight into the Christian living subcategory. And so these books here, as you add them to your cart at checkout, you'll receive 20% off on the eligible books in this category. So that's something to always watch right there on the hero graphic, the very first big graphic on the home page. Notice also we're offering free shipping on select items, and it's really free shipping on most items at the bookstore. There are a few things that are exempt from this, such as communion supplies, bulk hymnal orders, and international shipments. Those are excluded from the free shipping offer, but many of our items are available for free shipping, so check that out, and you'll see that as you go through the checkout process. We also encourage you to shop the Spring Bible Sale. So if you notice the next big graphics, a lot of times are some of our featured products that we're trying to send you toward. The Spring Bible Sale features a number of Bibles that are 30 to 40% off or more. And you'll see this here where we've tried to list the MSRP price and then show you the sale price in this category. These are the discount Bibles in particular. So you can go and check that out via the homepage just with that direct link. And then communion supplies are a hot button item right now, and you can shop communion supplies direct from here. The COVID-19 care packs, we also have a special link right here on the homepage to those where you can view just those to order or gift those to someone. Our featured products gives you about a dozen products that we're featuring right now. These are either on special prices, relatively new books, or maybe they're just relative to current events that we just want to show you, or maybe a special price on the book as well. So you can always kind of scroll through this and see what is being featured. And then right under that is our bestsellers, and this is our top 12 to 15 best-selling titles from Truth Publications. So you can see the hymnal and the Know Your Bible series are right there at the top, as well as Growing in Grace and Knowledge of the Lord by Edwards, Ready to Give a Defense by Kyle Pope. And it just kind of goes down the list here. So you can always scroll through this and see, well, what are people buying? What are many congregations using as workbooks and so forth? And these are the best sellers at Truth Publications right here in this list. At the bottom of the page, you'll see some more kicker graphics, as we call them, that can send you right into some special categories like the adult class studies, the Symphonia hymnal, and the Classic Truth Commentary special. I got a video here about our communion supplies that you can take a look at as well. You can also join our email newsletter. We send these out every Saturday morning, and then often we'll send out a midweek update as well. So we'd encourage you to join Truth News here, enter your email and join, and then look for those e-blasts that come from us on the weekend. I'll give you a little heads up. Sometimes those get kicked into your spam or junk email folder the first go around until you recognize us as a trusted sender. So be sure that you do that. There's also quick links to our social media channels, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. And we'd invite you to follow and subscribe to all those places to see our content there. And then you'll have information about our organization. We already took a look at the About Us page. You can go straight to the Truth Publications products via this link here. And then notice that there are subcategories like the bestsellers, the Truth Books Workbook Series, Truth Commentaries, Truth Magazine, Classic Truth Commentaries, Truth Lectures, Truth Digital Products, and Truth Tracks. So you can shop through all of those things very quickly through that quick link to our publications products. And then also I'm going to scroll back quickly to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a quick link to Truth Magazine. You can go right here to the Truth Magazine page and make your choice as far as a subscription if you're wanting